I will share a quick update about our PowerPoint add-in. We heard from your survey feedback that the add-in can be slow, especially when you are presenting. So we made an improvement. We added an edit mode toggle. Here it is. So here how it works. Keep the edit mode on and you can do whatever you want with the content, design, audio, and even AI. But when you are ready to present, just turn it off. This makes your presentation run faster and smoother. It's a simple change, but it should help a lot. Try it out and let us know what you think. Improve. We are here if you need help. Thanks for your feedback. It helps us improve.